Welcome! Ready to get your hands dirty? Let's start with some wisdom from the Bible. The earth is the Lord's and everything in it, including those pesky weeds. Now let's dive into the amazing world of growing your own food, and maybe a few surprises along the way. And don't forget this uplifting quote by Audrey Hepburn: "To plant a garden is to believe in tomorrow." Or in my case, to believe I can keep a plant alive. We all know that fresh, homegrown produce is the best, and it's like having a farmer's market in your backyard. But have you ever thought about the full spectrum of benefits that come with it? Spoiler alert, it's more than just veggies. It's not just about the food on your plate, it's about nourishing your body and nurturing your mind. And maybe impressing your neighbors. First off, let's talk about the physical benefits. Yes, gardening can be a workout. Growing your own food encourages healthier eating habits. And it's a great excuse to eat more salad. Imagine walking into your garden and picking a ripe tomato or a crisp cucumber. It's like a treasure hunt, but tastier. You have complete control over what goes into your food, meaning no harmful pesticides or chemicals. Just pure, unadulterated deliciousness. That's pure vitamin and mineral-packed goodness straight from your garden to your table. And maybe a little dirt, but that's just extra minerals, right? Plus, nothing beats the taste of homegrown fruits and vegetables. It's like nature's candy. Trust me, once you've tasted a tomato you've grown yourself, store-bought just won't cut it. Sorry, grocery stores, but it's not just your body that benefits from gardening. Your mind does too. It's like therapy, but cheaper. Gardening provides a sense of mindfulness, a break from our often hectic lives. It's therapeutic. And you get tomatoes. There's something incredibly grounding about nurturing plants and watching them grow. It's like watching your kids grow, but they don't talk back. Studies even show that contact with soil can increase serotonin levels in your brain, reducing stress and boosting your mood. So, dirt therapy is a thing. Imagine this. You're out in your garden, the sun is shining, you're watering and weeding, and for that moment, everything else fades away. Except maybe the mosquitoes. That rhythmic, repetitive nature of gardening tasks can be incredibly calming. It's like yoga, but with more dirt. It's like meditation, but with tangible rewards. And fewer awkward poses. And let's not forget the environmental impact. Because saving the planet is pretty cool. By growing your own food, you reduce waste from transportation and packaging, minimizing your carbon footprint. And you get to brag about it. It's a small step towards a healthier planet, and every little bit helps. So what's stopping you? Seriously, what's stopping you? Whether you have a spacious backyard or just a small balcony, there are countless ways to incorporate gardening into your life. Start small, experiment with different plants, and maybe avoid the ones that need too much attention. Savor the journey and the joy of watching your garden flourish. And maybe take a few selfies with your plants. Remember, growing your own food isn't just about the end result. It's about the journey and the occasional garden gnome. It's about the process, the mindfulness, and the connection to nature. And maybe a few bug bites. It's about creating a healthier, happier you, one plant at a time. And maybe a few laughs along the way. So go ahead, grab those seeds, get your hands dirty, and start planting. Your future salad will thank you. Your body, your mind, and the planet will thank you. Thanks for watching. And happy gardening. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gardening tips and inspiration. And maybe a few more jokes. Until next time, happy gardening. And may your thumbs always be green.